Welcome to ModiMakes.
What's good, everybody? My name is Modi, this is ModiMakes, and today I'm going to be customizing this US men's national team soccer World Cup hoodie. Now, most of you probably have no way of knowing this, except for the few of you who are watching who actually do know me in person. What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. I am actually a soccer player and have been a soccer player for basically my entire life. I still play to this day, and as such, I love the World Cup, but I don't have any US gear at all. So I found this US men's national team hoodie, but I want to make it something special, and being that I'm an artist and I can do stuff like this, I decided let's customize it with bleach painting. This one's going to be kind of interesting for a couple reasons. One, because this one is blue and not black, so the colors that we get out of it will be a little bit different than from the black ones. I'm interested to see how that actually plays out. And two, because this one isn't 100% cotton, it's 80% cotton and 20% polyester. If you guys noticed when I was doing the longer time-lapse footage pieces from the first video, how the color would have this really nice gradient from a pretty white at the top left where I first started down to a darker reddish color to the bottom right. And I really like that gradient and I want to keep it. So one of the things that I'm going to be doing and that I learned about is that you can dunk your garment into water to stop the reaction from happening. Just because I think it's going to be a nice look and I want to see what the difference is. So with all that out of the way, let's get into it, shall we? Well, that was dumb. That's why I used this one. So I'm already learning a couple things from working on this piece compared to the last one. For some reason, this one bleeds a lot more than the other one did, so I can't really get as clean a line work, at least not so far, which I find kind of surprising because I thought with this being a sweatshirt and the last one being a fairly thin t-shirt, that this one would be able to absorb stuff better and wouldn't have that issue. And it might have something to do with the, certain percentage of polyester making that happen. Or it could just be that because that part was on the pocket of the sweatshirt, and as you can see here from the cardboard that had underneath it, the cardboard was kind of soaking it up. So maybe that was distributing it more. Guess we might just have to go for more of a distressed look, which kind of works because it's a bleach thing. I just want to let you guys know what I'm experiencing right now and why the line work may not be as clean on this one as it is on the other one. I really hope I can figure out some way to make it fairly detailed though, because my painting that I'm going to be putting on the back is going to be like one of my characters like I normally do, and I need some decently clean line work for that. We'll just keep going and see how it goes. Well, there you have it, my peoples. My custom U.S. national soccer team hoodie is complete. And you know, it didn't turn out the way I expected it to originally. It turns out that polyester blend does make the bleach bleed a lot more than 100% cotton fabric would, which makes it hard to get clean line work. But Bob Ross happy accidents, I actually kind of dig how it turned out. The distressed look is pretty cool, while it was extra difficult because I was using like a really small brush, especially on the back because it's more detailed, so that I could still get, you know, separated lines between all the line work and not have things bleeding into each other. I really dig how it actually looks. But let me know what you guys think about the hoodie in the comments below. And as always, if you have any questions about this video or any other videos, throw those down there as well. I will be looking through all the comments and responding to each one, as I always do. And you know what? If you like the video, go ahead and give me a like. That would be fantastic. And if you like me, you like the channel, and you want to help support me, the #1 thing that you can do is to subscribe. I really couldn't thank you enough if you did. It means the world to me. And with all that out of the way, and without further ado, let's get into those final shots, shall we?
Thanks for watching.